Hello friends, good evening. Let's talk about onion architecture. So I have created one web API in onion architecture and we'll show it one by one. Let's go. So we have a one core folder in which there are four domains, four project, contracts, domain, service, and services abstraction. Second is infrastructure folder. It has persistence and presentation layer. Third is our web layer. So let's talk about the contracts. In contracts, you can see the DTOs we have created, the response model and the request model. Second, we have a domain. In domain, we have entities, exceptions, and repositories. Exceptions, we have account and owner. So you can create according to your entities. So exceptions and repositories. And then we have a services, and then we have a services abstraction. So we have a main service and then we have a interfaces. And come to the infrastructure, so we have a persistence where we have a configurations, migrations, and then repositories. And actually I have created a unit of work here, so we are using actually unit of work, so you can create this. So we have also repositories here. The repository you can see, so a simple class, we have created the seed class. And now we have a presentation layer. We have a controllers. Here you can create your own controllers. And then we have a web API which is by default, and in the web API we have a middleware. And for the exception handling, I have created one exception handling middleware. Okay, so this is the onion architecture we have. If you like the video, if you like the concept, please like the video and share the channel and videos both. Subscribe for more. Thank you. Thank you for watching.